Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our third chapter, the four basic operations in exercise 3.1 we have completed. Exercise 3.1 we have completed. In exercise 3.2, first of all in our previous class we have learned how to do addition for larger numbers, how to do subtraction for larger numbers we have learned. For subtractions we have learned checking also. Then today in exercise 3.2 we have completed first bit in our previous class. In our first bit we have four problems. I have explained one problem. Remaining three are your homework. ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. రిమైనింగ్ 3 మీ హోంవర్క్ అని చెప్పాను. That is your homework. You have to complete that homework and send to me. Next, today exercise 3.2 second bit. Our second bit is about subtract the following and check the answer. These are the subtractions. They have given subtractions. We have to complete the subtractions and we have to find the solutions for the subtractions. And we have to find checking for the subtractions. Now the larger numbers, subtraction of larger numbers నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. So now they have given 3, 4, 7, 6, 9, 5, 8, 6 from 5, 8, 7, 0, 6, 9, 8, 4, 7. Now from అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి from this number to we have to subtract this number to this number. For subtraction we have three rules. If a number is subtracted from itself, answer is always 0. If you subtracted any number from 0, number itself, then in the subtraction, larger number should be always upside. Larger number should be always above the smaller number. Larger number should always above the smaller number. Larger number ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? Smaller number కి పైననే ఉండాలి. So compare these two. If you have any doubts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9-digit number. So which number is a greater number? 8-digit number or 9-digit number? 9-digit number is a greater number. So we have to write this first. So we'll write. While you are writing the number, write with finger gap nana. It is better to you. 5, 8, 7, 0, 6, 9, 8, 4, 7. It is one 9-digit number. Then 8-digit number is 6. Right side to left side you have to write. Right side to left side क्या होगा? 6, 8, 5, next 9, 6, 7, 4, 3. Now we have written. Now subtraction. Now it is a symbol for subtraction. It is minus. It is subtraction symbol का दिख रहा है now. Subtraction from right side to left side. That means you have to start the subtraction from ones place onwards. 7 minus 6. Larger number to smaller number. పెద్ద నెంబర్ నుండి చిన్న నెంబర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. 7 is a greater number, 6 is a smaller number. Is 7 minus 6 is possible? Yes. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 8. Is 4 minus 8 is possible? No, not possible. If that is not possible, then what you have to do? You have to borrow from the next number. What is the next number here? 8. Now take borrow from the 8. Borrow is 10. 10 plus 4 it is 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 14 నుండి 8 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందన్న? Now see here. 14 is a greater number, 8 is a smaller number. Greater number to smaller number. 14 minus 8 is 6. Next. Now after taking borrow said already, from where you are taking borrow from that number, one number will decrease. Now here we have 8. From this 8, if one number will decrease means what we have here? 7. So 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now is 9 minus 9 0 because subtraction first rule. If you subtract a number from itself, ఆ నెంబర్ లో నుండి ఆ నెంబర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందని చెప్పాను అన్న? 0. If you subtract a number from itself, ఆ నెంబర్ నుండి తనంతర తానే. So itself, it is a 9 is a itself to another 9. So 9 minus 9 gives 0. 6 is itself to 6. So 6 minus 6 it is 0. 0 minus 7 is not possible. Now these are the 0 fingers. From this 0, how to subtract 7? It is not possible. If you have like that, then what you have to do? You have to take borrow from the next number. The next number is 7, so you have to take borrow from 7. So it is 10. From this 10, you have to subtract 7. It gives 3. Now after taking borrow, from where you are taking borrow తీసుకున్న నెంబర్ నుండి ఒక నెంబర్ తగ్గిపోతుందని చెప్పాను కదా. So 7. From this 7, 1 will subtract means it is 6. 6 minus 4 it is 2. Now 8 minus 3. 8 లో నుండి 3 subtract చేస్తుంటే 5. From this 5 there is no number to subtract, so you have to write that 5 as it is. ఈ 5 లో నుండి ఏ నెంబర్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయడానికి లేదు కాబట్టి 5 as it is రాయాలి. Now subtract the following. Subtraction is completed. Check the answer. Now we have to check either this is correct or wrong, we have to check. We have completed, but we don't know whether it is correct or wrong. How to check? Checking. How to do checking? Checking ఎలా చేయాలంటే what we got the answer, that answer we have to write first here. Answer is 5 5 2 3 0 0 2 6 1. Sorry. Now answer has completed. After the completion of answer, it is subtrahend. Subtract చేసిన నెంబర్ ఏమంటారు? Subtrahend. Subtrahend you have to write. From where you have to write? From right side to left side, like that only. 6 8 5 9 6 7 4 3. For these two numbers we have to do addition. ఈ రెండు నెంబర్స్ మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే addition చేయాలి. Not subtraction, addition. We have to do addition for these two numbers. Now add these two. 6 plus 1 7, 6 plus 8 14. 4 you have to write here, 1 becomes carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8. 0 plus 9. Addition properties we నేర్చుకున్నాం నాన్న. If you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number as answer. So 0 to any number, same number as answer. 0 to any number, same number as answer. 7 plus 3 10. 0 you have to write here, 1 becomes carried to the next number. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. 5 plus 3, it is 8. For this 8 there is no number to add, so we have to write this 5 as this. After the completion of addition, then you will get the first number. First మనం ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే రాసుకున్నామో ఆన్సర్ ఆ నెంబర్ రావాలి. చూడండి ఒకసారి వచ్చిందేమో. 5 8 7 0 6 9 8 4. This number we have to get. ఈ నెంబర్ రావాలి. ఈ నెంబర్ వస్తే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కరెక్ట్, otherwise that is wrong. Now check here. 5 5 8 8 7 7 0 0 6 6 9 9 8 8 4 4 7 7. So we got that answer. So our subtraction is correct. Understand? Like this you have to do checking. Next, second question is, first one has completed. Now the second one. Second one, 2 2 4 6 7 8 9 0 1 from 4 5 7 2 9 0 2 5 9. Now we have to subtract from this number to this number, so write that number first. 4 5 7. Just now I said you have to write with finger gap. 4 5 7 finger gap, 2 finger gap, 7 2 9 finger gap, 0 finger gap, 2 finger gap, 5 finger gap, 9. Next, this number right side to left side again. 1 0 9 8 7 6 4 2 2. Now subtract. Right side to left side. 9 minus 1, greater number to smaller number. 9 minus 1 is 8. Subtraction properties. If you subtract any number from 0, then you will get the same number as answer. ఏదైనా number లో నుండి 0 తీసేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందన్న? Same number as answer. Now next, is 2 minus 9 is possible? 2 లో నుండి 9 subtract చేయడం possible అవుతుందా? No. Then what you have to do? You have to take borrow. From where you have to take borrow? ఎక్కడ నుండి తీసుకోవాలి? నెక్స్ట్ ఉన్న నెంబర్ నుండి తీసుకోవాలి. But here the next number is 0. So should not take borrow from 0. 0 నుండి ఎప్పుడు borrow తీసుకోవద్దు కాబట్టి you have to come to the next number. What is the next number here? 9. From 9 to 0, 0 to 10 you have to take. Here you have to take borrow 10. Here it is 9. Here 9 becomes 8. ఒక నెంబర్ తగ్గిపోద్దని చెప్పాను కదా borrow తీసుకున్నప్పుడు. So it is 8. So 10 plus 2, it is total 12. Now greater number to smaller number. 12 minus 9 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. Is 2 minus 6 is possible? No. Then you have to take borrow. 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. Subtraction has completed. Now checking. Now write the answer. 2, 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 3, 5, 8. Afterwards you have to write subtract from right side to left side. 1, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 2, 2. For these two numbers, what you have to do? You have to do addition. You have to numbers came here and addition or subtraction. Addition, kada? So addition. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 0. If you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number as answer. Either number ki 0 add same ostundana, same number answer goes to 5. 9 plus 3, 12. 2 you have to write here, 1 becomes carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 6, 12. Sorry, 6 plus 6, 12. 2 here to write here, 1 becomes carry. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. Now we have to check the first number. 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, 2, 9, 0, 2, 5, 9. Now our subtraction has correct. Understand? Like this you have to do checking for the subtraction. So in exercise 3.2 in the second bit, B bit we have. In exercise 3.2 we have B bit. In the B bit I have explained two problems. Here back side you have two more problems are there. Complete the two more problems with checking and send to me. If you don't know, ask me and explain. Next third bit is a find the missing digits. Find the missing. Next C bit. C bit is find the missing digits. Find the missing digits. Now here they have given in box. They have given one box. In that box they missed some numbers. We have to find what are the numbers. Now it is addition number because they have given plus symbol. They have given plus symbol, so it is addition. Now see here. To get answer as 1, what we have to write in this box? We have to write 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 we have to write here, 1 will becomes carried to the next number. Okay? 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 2 you have to write here, 1 becomes carried. Now, to get answer as 7, 9 plus 1, 10. To get answer as 7, what you have to write here? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 కదా ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ 7 రావడానికి బాక్స్ లో ఏం రాయాలి 7. If you write 7, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. If you got 17 means 7 you have to write here, 1 becomes carried to the next number. Now 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 5 you have to write here, 1 becomes carried. 7 plus 1, 8. To get the answer as 3. Answer ఇక్కడ 3 రావడానికి బాక్స్ లో ఏం రాయాలి 8 కి ఎంత కలిపితే ఇక్కడ 3 వస్తుంది 8 plus 5 13 వస్తుందనా 7 plus 5 12 12 plus 1 13 13 వస్తే ఏం రాయొచ్చు 3 ఇక్కడ క్యారీ 3 ఇక్కడ రాయొచ్చు 1 క్యారీ రాయొచ్చు 4 plus 1 5 what we have to write here to get 1 here 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 1 11 11 means 1 we have to write here 1 becomes carried to the next number 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 3 is 9 to get 6 we have to add 2 plus 4 6. Next come to the subtraction. Now subtraction 7 minus 4 3. Why I am saying subtraction? Because the textbook only they have given it is subtraction. Now here 7 minus 4 7 minus 3 is 4. Next to get the answer as 9 what we have to write here 9 plus 4 ఇంతకు నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా ఈ రెండు నెంబర్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే పై నెంబర్ వస్తుంది కదా సో 9 10 11 12 13 if you have written 3 here now see here when you take borrow it is becomes 13 minus 4 is 9 now it becomes 7 అది 7 అవుతుంది కదా now see here it becomes 13 minus 4 is 9 now 8 becomes 7 ఈ 7 లో నుండి ఎంత సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 9 వస్తుందనా సారీ 7 లో నుండి ఎంత సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 8 వస్తుంది 9 see now it is 7 minus 9 it is not possible then we have to take borrow then what you have to take borrow ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేయండి 9 plus 8 17 వస్తుంది కదా then write here 9 now take the borrow it is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now here we have 6, here we have 9. What we have to subtract from 6 to get 9? Subtract 7. Now see. 9 plus 7, how much, Nana? 16. 9 plus 7 means 16. Already we got 16, 6 only here. Now 16 means here we have 5, here take here 4. Now if you take borrow, 16 minus 7 is 9, 4 becomes 3. Is 3 minus 5 is possible? No, not possible. Then take borrow from here onwards, it becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Understand? Like this you have to complete. Now add these two. 4 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 4, 13. 3 here. 1 becomes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 1 untal. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 9, 16. We got already 6 here. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, carry 14. 4 we got already. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Completed. Next, D. Solve the following in the D bit. We have what problems? We have 7 word problems. Okay, I'll explain one. Remaining all problems I will explain in the next video. Next word problem is D bit. D bit is solve the following in the D bit. First question is, these are word problems. First word problem is, in a food grain go down, 69,88,200 bags of wheat were stored. Okay, food grain go down. అంటే గ్రెయిన్స్ అంటే గింజలు అన్న, అది ఏం ఫ్యాక్టరీ అంటే గోడౌన్. గోడౌన్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు వీట్ స్టోర్. వీట్స్ అంటే గోధుమలు నిల్వ చేసే ప్లేస్ అనమాట. అవన్నీ ఒక ప్లేస్ లో ఉంచడం, వరి మొక్కజొన్నలు ఒక ప్లేస్ లో ఉంచడం, గోధుమలు ఒక ప్లేస్ లో ఉంచడం, అట్లా స్టోర్ చేసే ప్లేస్ ఏమంటారంటే గోడౌన్ అంటారు. ద గ్రెయిన్స్ వేర్ స్టోర్డ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ గోడౌన్. గింజలు మనం తినే గింజలను ఎక్కడైతే స్టోర్ చేసామో వాటిని ఏమంటారంటే గోడౌన్స్ అంటారు. In a food grain go down, 69,88,200 bags of wheat were stored. Wheat means గోధుమలు. ఆ ఫుడ్ గ్రెయిన్ గోడౌన్ లో ఎన్ని గోధుమల బ్యాగ్స్ స్టోర్ చేశారంట? 69,88,200 bags. Rats ate 379 bags. ఆ గోడౌన్ లో రాట్స్ ఉన్నాయంట, అవి 379 bags తినేసాయంట. Now rain spoiled. వర్షం వల్ల 4,975 bags were spoiled. Because of rain, 4,975 bags were spoiled. Because of rats, 379 bags were spoiled. Now, how many bags are remained in the godown? Now, some bags are spoiled because of rain. Some bags are spoiled because of rats. Now, more how many bags are left in the godown? They are asking. Now, solution. Total number of bags. Total number of bags is equal to 69,88,200. Next, rats ate away 379 bags. Number of bags ate by rats. Rats any bags తిన్నాయి నాన్న? 379 bags. Next, number of bags spoiled by rain. Number of bags ate by rats. Number of bags spoiled by rain. Rain వర్షం వల్ల ఎన్ని bags ఖరాబ్ అయ్యాయంట? 4,975. Spoiled by rain. What you have to do? 4,975. 5, 7, 9, 4. Write properly. 379. 379. Next 5, 7, 9, 4. Now add these two from this total, subtract. From the answer, subtract this 69,88,200. Then we will get the total number. Right. 9 plus 5, 14. 4 you have to write here, 1 becomes carry. 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 1 15. 5 you have to write here, 1 becomes carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13. 3 you have to write here, 1 becomes carry. 4 plus 1 5. Now 5354 bags were spoiled. Now number of bags left in the godown is equal to number of bags remained in godown. Remained or left? Remained and left and same nana. Left in godown is equal to, from this total we have to subtract 5354. 6 9 8 8 2 0 0. We have to subtract 5354. 4 5 3 5. Then subtract. Now, is 0 minus 4 is possible? No, not possible. Then what you have to do? You have to take borrow from the next number. But here the next number is also 0. So what you have to do? You have to take borrow from the next number. 2 to first 0, first 0 to second 0. Here 0, here 9, here 2 becomes 1. 10 minus 4, it is 6. 9 minus 5, it is 4. Is 1 minus 3 is possible? No, not possible. Then what you have to do? Again you have to take borrow from the next number. What is the next number here? The next number is 8. So take borrow from 8. Here the borrow is 10, already it is 1. 10 plus 1 it is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Next 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 5, 2. From this 8 there is no number to subtract, so you have to write as it is. From this 9 also there is no number to subtract. From this 6 also there is no number to subtract, so you have to write as it is. So 69,82,846 bags were remained in the godown. It is the first solution. Next, second, third remaining all problems we will learn in the next class. Up to here completed homeworks. Okay.